Welcome everybody. Welcome. My name is Colin Bailey. I'm the Systems Administrator here at the National College. I want to welcome you to Effective Principles Training Program, and I'll be walking you through setting up your account and setting up your system and getting situated on our online system. So if this is your first time on our system, and if it is not, please don't be worried. These steps are easy to do. 1, 2, 3, and you should be good. So step 1, first you're gonna need to open a browser. Some persons use Google Chrome, some people use Mozilla Firefox, and some people might use Internet Explorer. Makes no difference, just open up a browser. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to ncel.gov.jm. You can either use a top bar here, or you can search it in Google. Either way works. So what I do, I use a top bar because I know the website. So I'll go to ncel.gov.jm. Once you're there, you're gonna open Ignito. You can click here, or you can go to ignito.ncel.gov.jm. Either way works, so click on Ignito. This is gonna bring you to our page here where we actually host our system. So it's our online management system. So this is where your course will be. If it's your first time on the system, again, you would have gotten an email. I'm not gonna go through your email now. There are videos on our system for that. What I'm gonna do though is gonna tell that you're gonna get your username, your password for you to log in. But let's say you've forgotten what your username and password is. You're gonna scroll down to where you see login. Click here to login. You're gonna click on login. It's gonna take you to the login page. Let's say you've forgotten your username or password. You're gonna click on forgotten username or password. What you're gonna do here, let's say you've forgotten what your username is. It's usually your first name, that's your last name, but there was a time when we allowed persons to create their own accounts. So we're aware that you might have had a different account. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your email address in here. In my case, it's colin.bailey@ncel.gov.jm. Click on search. Once you click on search, it's gonna tell you that if you supply the correct username or email address, then an email should have been sent to you. If that's the case, you click on continue. Then once you've gotten that email, it would be sent to you. You can check your spam. And what you're gonna do after that is that you're gonna click on the link that's gonna take you to reset your password. From there, it's easy. Follow the steps to reset your password. There's no challenge in it, just reset your password and then you should have access to the system. Okay, so let's log in. So in my case, I'm gonna click on login. My username and password is already in because I saved it on the device. Then I click on login. So what you're gonna be seeing now, once you've logged in, you're gonna see my courses. Underneath my courses, you're gonna see the programs that you're enrolled in right now. In your case, it is the Effective Principles Training Program. So what you're gonna need to do is to click on the Effective Principles Training Program, just like this. That is gonna take you into your course, which is the Effective Principles Training Program, Tier 1 and 2. So what you're gonna be seeing is this list of programs. So in order to move on in the course, you're gonna have to finish a few objectives. You're gonna have to finish a few prerequisites in order to continue into the course and moving on to the next module as you go ahead. So you're gonna have to go through and read what you see on the screen. So for module 0, which is you're getting started, this is where you're gonna have your introductory video, introducing yourself to the rest of the cohort, watch your orientation video. If you missed a few things in the actual orientation session, then you can get these information here. So what you're gonna do, first thing you need to do is to introduce yourself to the group. Then you're gonna go through, complete the registration form. Then you're gonna download and sign the training charter. You're gonna upload your training charter. So in order to upload your signed training charter, after you've signed it, what you're gonna need to do is to download it, sign it, scan it, or take a photograph of it. Then you're gonna click on uploaded training charter. Click on add submission. That is gonna take you to this page where you can either drag and drop or click in this box here. Click on browse. Navigate to where your file is. Click on open. Should you name that you're gonna save it as, so you're gonna select the name of the person. In this case, I'm using a name. So you're gonna click on that and save as. So then you're gonna click on upload this file. Once you've uploaded file, you save changes. And then once you've saved changes, then that is it. It is submitted for grading. So a facilitator or your course facilitator would actually mark and save. So once you've done that and it's marked, once you've uploaded your training charter and it's marked as complete, then you can move on to doing your module assessment. So in this assessment, you'll be asked a few questions in which you need to answer successfully in order to move on, to show that you would have already completed the steps in the getting started, because these steps will actually help you to move smoothly through the entire module. So once you've shown that you have enough knowledge to move forward, then you will be moving forward into the program. So this is module 1. You're gonna have to finish module 1. You go through and then you're gonna be going through setting up your, let's say at any time you've forgotten your username or password, you can also reset that from here. If you haven't saved your password, you can reset your password, get in. It's not destructive, so wherever you would stop the last, that's where you will be continuing from. So I do hope you enjoy your time doing this course, and I look forward to working with you in the future and giving you some more assistance. You can always contact us at the office at any time you like if you need more assistance, and we'll be glad to help. So thank you very much. That might not have gone.